Hey, welcome back to Tech with Ratan, and this is Ratan. The 8-week backend developer program. I've been telling you to join this program since many days, but you missed it. Now you look at the people who are taking advantage of this 8-week backend developer program. Our students are actually working day and night to finish those interesting assignments, and I love the fact that how dedicated they are and how they are attending all the sessions without miss. And I'm feeling that our students are just a few steps away to become a backend developer. With this successful batch, I'm going to start a new batch for the people who missed to join the previous batch. You see, 2025 is over. You're still stuck in that previous job. You want to learn new things, you want to become a Python backend developer, you want to switch your job, and you tried. But without guidance, 90% of the people fail. I'm telling you this with my experience. I've taught over 100,000 students on Udemy, on Tech with Ratan, and on RatanK.com platforms. 2026 is coming, and trust me, don't waste this year too. I'm conducting a free demo class for you even before you join this 8-week backend developer program. In this demo class, I'll explain you each and everything about this 8-week backend developer program. This is a structured backend developer program. You'll be working with me, you'll be connecting with me, you'll be learning with many other fellow students, and there's no need to cancel your plan and sit in the class for 3-4 hours. Every week, live class recording will be unlocked for you. You can pause, you can rewind, and you can replay the class and learn at your own pace. And on every Thursday, you can connect with me live, ask me any questions that you have. I will answer all of your queries. Also, I will personally conduct an onboarding session on your first day, or you can say orientation session. And not to forget the assignments. The assignments are really impressive, and all of them are based on the real world use cases. I've got so many outstanding feedback from my current students. You can go to techwithratan.com and read through all of these nice feedbacks I got from the current students. You can also connect with them on LinkedIn. That's up to you. So if you're still confused, register for the live demo class. Ask any questions, see what you think about this program, and then decide whether to join or not. There's nothing to lose, everything is to gain. I said demo class is free, and free always comes with a limitation. And here the seats are limited. So don't wait, register right now, and the link is in the description. I'll see you live.